So today we are unboxing the Ufree all-in-one hair clipper. Let's check this out. Well, it comes in this nice box, you guys. I got this off of Amazon and I'm leaving the link down in the bottom in the description below so you can get you one if you want one. But these clippers come in this nice box like it says right there. It says it has a metal body. So these clippers are cordless and it says it takes about 90 minutes to charge them up and you're supposed to get about 180 minutes usage time. And these clippers have a LED display screen to let you know how much battery life you have left and just a one-touch start. Then when you flip the box around, it kind of lets you know some of the stuff you can do with the clippers too. Like it says, you can use these to trim different hairstyles and sideburns. You can use them to carve out patterns for trimming your eyebrows. It says in doing designs and making letters in your head, trimming your nose hairs, helping to keep your face clean. You can use it to trim your beard, shape your beard, as well as you can use it for your body hairs, I guess your legs, chest, other places that you want to use to cut your hair off with, and then just trimming different parts of the body. So it lets you know all that on the back, as well as it shows you all of the accessories that come on the inside. So I'm attempting to open this and do this unboxing with one hand while I'm holding my phone and the camera, but my GoPro. I'm holding my GoPro, you guys. Well, I got a tripod right back there, but I'm holding this dang GoPro in my hand trying to open it up. So right here is the base, and this is a really good base because as you can see, it can't fit all the accessories that I'm going to show you guys inside this box, but it can fit a lot. And then you can actually probably put on there the ones that you use the most. So right here, it does come with a little bottle of oil and a brush so you can use to clean those guards and the clipper bases. It also comes with a quick, easy read instruction manual. Really easy to read, lets you know everything about these clippers. It's about maybe 3 sections right there to read. So we'll put that to the side. Then right here you have a few different guards. I think we got about 4 guards inside this bag. Then you can see right here on the base, you can use it, like I said, to put the accessories that you probably use the most because it won't fit all the accessories. So I just put, think about 1, 2, 5 guards right there on this accessory base. Then you get this nice bag right here, nice black bag for storage or for travel, as well as you get some more guards that'll go to the T outliner clipper head. So we'll just go ahead and open these up and check these out. So here you go, we're just checking out these guards right here. Like I said, you get a lot of guards with these clippers. So you get lots of accessories. So depending on how you're trying to shape up your hair, your beard, your sideburns and things like that, you will have options with these clippers right here. So it also comes with this type C USB charging cord. The only thing is that you will need your own like block to plug it into the wall. Okay, so this attachment is the precision comb, and this attaches to the beard trimming attachment piece. And with this, there's a dial on there, so you can turn the dial to the length that you want your hair to be trimmed to. So that's again something that is good, because then you might not have to travel with as many guards because you can just use that attachment right there if you're not going to be home, if you're going to be out on the go. Okay, so I told you guys this is a steal. There's a lot of attachments, a lot of accessories. So here you guys go. We're going to get some more of the attachments and accessories. So this right here is what they're calling the razor head. So you can switch out the clipper heads. And they say this razor head can be used for like balding, for trimming beards, sideburns, as well as for balding. So you can just unattach that razor head right there to clean it, to brush it off, and you can clean it real nice and easy. Okay, so this is the nose ear trimmer attachment, And then right here we do have the body hair trimmer head that can attach again to the top of the base of the clippers as well. And you can use this for trimming hair on different parts of the body, as well as it's equipped with a comb. The comb can come off of it, that plastic comb that's on there. You can slide that right off depending on the length of hair that you're trying to cut or how low you're trying to get your hair cut on your body. Now this is the precision trimming head used for, I guess, eyebrows. They say for lettering hairstyles, as well as you can probably use it to outline like around your ears or mustache and beard and things like that too as well. Here you have another clipper head that you can use. And then there's one more. I believe that's our last clipper head attachment that you have. So you do have different options that you can use as far as the clipper heads. I mean, again, you guys, you got to check that description. This is going to be my on-the-go travel pair of clippers right here, because you know you got everything right here in this box that you need. And like I showed you guys, you get that travel bag with it. I'm struggling right here to take something out. Man, what am I struggling to take out right there? I'm tripping, y'all. It was that ear, nose, clipper head that I was struggling to get out. I showed y'all that already, but that'll probably be one that I'll use a lot. So I'm going to put that right there on the base. Now getting right here to the main piece that we probably should have opened up first, but these are the actual clippers. They do have a little weight to them, and wow, guess what? Right there, they already come with a guard on them. So that's another guard we got right there. It's just that one touch. You push it right there, they come on, and look at that right out the box. Mine are at 100%. So the body is metal. Right on the bottom is where you can insert that Type-C charging cord. You just push the button, easy to turn on, easy to turn off. You push it one time to turn it on, push it another time to turn it off. Now, they do have a good locking feature. If you hold it for 5 seconds, it'll actually lock. So that way, if it's in your bag, if somebody's brushes up against it or pushes against it while you're traveling, it will not cut on. And then you just have to either plug it up to unlock it or hold it for 5 seconds to unlock it. So here's some of the accessories set up right there in the base. Oh, it actually also comes with a comb, that black comb back there. It came with that too, yeah. I'm telling you, this comes with so many accessories. So I just kind of put a few things in there in the base that I think that I might use the most. So there you go, a nice setup. There's that bag. I can put the rest of the accessories and attachments in the bag. Yeah, I was gonna show y'all that comb anyway. Yeah, I gotta show y'all that too because it came with it. And there's that body trimmer, and like I told you guys earlier, how that plastic base comes off of it. You can see it comes off right there. So in case you just want to get right there real close, you got that hair that you just want to get, and it's not that long on your body, you can use it like that to shave. And then you just kind of push down and push up, and the attachments they come off real easy, as well as it's very easy just to attach them back on. Again, I'm holding my GoPro with one hand and trying to show you guys how to attach these and reattach them. So it's a little hard there, but there's a little piece right there. It's very easy to see. I would really recommend these clippers, like I said, especially for on the go, especially just for your everyday life. Hit that subscribe button.